search and ask Google Assistant so many questions. Now we're going to go on to learning about Google Lens. The application which we downloaded earlier, Google Lens. Till now, the command which we've been giving, the Google Assistant is helping us to do it. Sometimes we see something and we don't know what it is and we want to learn more about it. Right now, we know what we want, but sometimes we don't know what we want. We are seeing it and we want to learn more about it. We are going to use Google Lens. For that, I'm going to click on Lens, the application Google Lens. I'm going to click on that and automatically my camera will get switched on. I will search using my camera. I will click on search with your camera. Whatever is behind my camera, it's showing that. Right now, you can see what's behind my camera. You can see that. I have placed a green tea bag behind my camera. Can you see that? A green tea bag behind my camera. If I click a picture, it's going to search what it might be. The Google Lens, just by seeing through the camera, is going to search what it might be. It's helping me understand what it might be. And how do we do that? I can see it's written Lipton Classic and there's a search button right next to it. I will click on the search button and now Google is detecting what it has seen from my camera and is telling me more about it. It says it's a green tea bag. I just showed a picture. I did not tell anything. I just showed a picture using my Google Lens. I showed a picture of the green tea bag and it said that it might be a green tea bag and these are some links where I can use and know more about the green tea bag. For example, it's showing me a link to Big Basket where I can buy the green tea bag and know more about it. I'm going to click on the link. And can you see what has come? It's the same one. We saw this physically and now we see it here. Right? I'm going to show you something more interesting. Can you see this plant right next to you? Can you see this plant? I do not know which plant this is. I have no idea about this plant. What is the name of the plant? What it does? What does it need to do? What do I need to do to take care of it? I have no idea. But Google Lens is going to help me with that. And how do we do that? We're going to first open the Google Lens application. Search with your camera
Shutter button to search
and show the plant. Click a picture.
Tap
You can
shutter
see
button
that
to
there are
search.
some results which have come. I'll request everyone to be on mute and not try right away. I will give you some time to try. You can try then, please. Please see what's happening first and then you may try.
If we are having that, sorry, if we are having that plant physically, then only we can do, or we'll click the photo from Google or something.
You can do that also. I will show you step by step, Usha ma'am.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes. So, right now, we saw that there was a plant right in front of me. I had no idea about that plant. I just clicked a picture using Google Lens. The artificial intelligence of Google Lens. I clicked a picture. I will swipe up to see what it might be. It is telling me the name of the plant might be agave, or it might be this name, or this. It's giving me a few options of what it might be. I can click on it. I'm clicking on the name. And can you see there's a picture about that same plant, some information about it, the scientific name, the family, and so many links around the same plant. All I was just clicking a picture using Google Lens. I said nothing else. I had no idea about it. But now, not only am I getting to identify what is in front of me, but I can learn more about it as well. This is an example of what Google Lens can help us to do. We can see anything and ask Google to search about what it might be and anything related to that. This is when we are seeing through a camera. Sometimes you have a picture already in your phone, in your gallery, and you want to search about that. And Usha ma'am, that's your question. So I will help you to understand that. I will go to the Google Lens application.
हेलो मैडम ये
रविंद्र sir?
वो बोलता है टैप शटर बटन टू सर्च। अब इसमें शटर बटन का
Yes, रविंद्र सर, शटर बटन कहाँ है? मैं एक और बार दिखाती हूँ आपको। आप सर्च विद योर कैमरा में जब टैप करते हैं, इसे शटर बटन कहते हैं। जब आप पिक्चर क्लिक कर रहे हैं, आप इसे जब क्लिक करेंगे तब आपका पिक्चर क्लिक हो जाएगा और वो सर्च करके ऑटोमेटिकली आपको रिजल्ट्स दिखाएगा कि क्या हो सकता है वो जो चीज देख रहा है।
Okay.
All right.
Tap shutter
And
button
now
to
I want to
search.
show you what Usha ma'am has asked.
Shutter
And I will
button to
request
search.
everyone to please be on mute, just so that what I'm communicating will be actually understood by everyone. I will give a chance for you to ask the question. Don't worry, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to answer your questions and then only go anywhere you wish. All right. So now, like Usha ma'am asked, there's a picture from the gallery. She wishes to understand what it might be. I will come to Google Lens. Automatically, the pictures in my gallery will be visible just below it. I can search using any of the pictures. There's so many pictures I can see. I have clicked on one of the pictures which is there in my gallery. And I have asked Google Lens to search what it might be and tell me more about it. I'm using the artificial intelligence of Google Lens to tell me more about it. When I swipe up, it's helping me understand what it might be. It might be a French press. I can see many pictures which are similar to it. As I scroll down, I can see many links of many websites where I can go and buy it if I wish. For example, let me tap on any of the links. It's telling me it's a vintage boredom teapot, which looks somewhat like this. It is similar to what I showed. I can visit the website. And wow, I have all the information. I can shop for the same product I was just seeing on my gallery. Isn't this amazing? Isn't Google Lens just something which is amazing? Come on, tell me if you like it. If you like it, you can show me a thumbs up. And if you have a question, please raise your hand. I'll ask you to unmute and you can ask me a question. Amazing.
मैडम मेरा क्वेश्चन है।
Yes, sir.
उसमें वो बोलता है टैप शटर बटन टू सर्च। अब उसमें मैंने पिक्चर सेलेक्ट किया, शटर बटन कहाँ है?
शटर बटन जब आप सर्च विद कैमरा करेंगे तभी आएगा सर। पहले आप सर्च विद कैमरा करेंगे गूगल लेंस में, तब कैमरा के थ्रू शटर बटन में हम पिक्चर क्लिक कर सकते हैं सर।
Tap shutter button to search.
All right, Ravinder sir.
वो शटर सेलेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है।
This is the shutter button, sir.
Tap
जब आप गूगल लेंस में सर्च विद योर कैमरा टैप किए, मैं गूगल लेंस में जब आई सर, मैं सर्च विद योर कैमरा टैप करूंगी और मेरा कैमरा ऑन हो गया है। अब कैमरा में आप देखेंगे मेरा शटर बटन ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है। मैं पिक्चर क्लिक करूंगी एंड इट विल सर्च। जो उसने देखा उसके बारे में वो मुझे बता रहा है। रविंद्र सर, इज दैट क्लियर?
हाँ ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू।
ऑसम।
हमें उम्मीद है कि आपको यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा। हम बहुत रेगुलरली मनी मैटर्स, हेल्थ और एंटरटेनमेंट पर सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए एक्सक्लूसिव वीडियोस रिलीज करते हैं। यदि आप हमारे नए वीडियोस को मिस नहीं करना चाहते तो नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करें।